after me. I would like to hear you. Sound X. Sound X. Excellent. Once upon a time, a boy was playing in the ground. Suddenly, he fallen and hurt his hand. They have to go to the doctor. Doctor make an X-ray to see if a bone has been broken or not. Let's do the action. It's like taking an X-ray with an X-ray camera. Sam has 4 friends. The first one is kind of animals, wild animals, okay, have a very, very soft fur. What are these? Excellent. Fox. 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 Another friend, mommy can use it in the kitchen when we are making cake. Okay, we can use a mixer. Mixer. Another friend, okay, we can use it to put our toys. Like what? This box. Box. And the last friend, we have this one is X-ray photo. X-ray photo. Can you repeat after me? Say fox. Mixer. Box. X-ray.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
And now how to write sound X. How to write sound X. Start from up here, down, 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 down to the right and stop. Then remove the pencil and up again, from up, down, down, down to the left side and stop. Do it again. Start from up here, down, 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 down to the right side. Then remove the pencil, from up again, down, down, down to the left side. It's very easy. Okay, we can do it from up, down, 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 down to the right side. Then remove the pencil, from up again, down, down, down to the left side. Okay, the last one, just to follow the dots. Follow the dots. Very easy. Thank you.